Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mama Lilin. Enjoy today. Tapos, damihan mo lang ng chismis dyan sa kapitbahay, ha? Balitaan mo kami. Happy birthday, Mama. Love you.
And may all your dreams come true.
Hi Mama, on this special day, I want to take a moment to celebrate you. The amazing woman who has been our guide, our confidant, and our greatest supporter. Your love and wisdom have shaped us into the person we are today, and for that, I am forever grateful. Your unwavering strength and endless compassion inspire me every day. You've taught me the true meaning of an unconditional love, and your kindness has touched the hearts of everyone. Lucky enough to know you. As you celebrate another year of life, I hope you feel the love and joy you have given to others returned you tenfold. May this year bring you happiness, health, and everything your heart desires. Thank you for being the incredible mother and person you are. And thank you for taking care of Papa. Happy birthday, Mama. Me and Maan love you more than words can express.
Happy birthday. This is your birthday song.
Sama, happy birthday. Stay healthy and safe. Kayo ni Papa, and we love you. Happy birthday.
Celebration all night long.
Birthday, Mother! I love you so much. Magpalakas ka, mag-diet, para masama ba ang buhay. Okay? At kayo para ni Father ay magbawa pa kayo ng buhay kasi magpayaman pa kita.
May all your dreams come true.
Happy birthday, Mama. Una sa lahat, nais ko pong magpasalamat dahil sa iyong walang sawang pagmamahal sa amin, pag-aalaga, lalo tigit kay Papa na alam namin napakahirap na gawain. Pero pilit mong kinakaya at hindi nagre-reklamo. Salamat po sa pag-iintindi sa amin, sa pag-aalaga sa wala na maliit pa kami hanggang sa ngayon, na kahit sa kalagitang bagay, alam mo, panti namin, panti ko lalo na ay ginagawa mo pa din. Isa kang mabuting ina, warang ina, at may pagmamalaki namin. Salamat sa lahat, Mama. Happy birthday.
We sing all together. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mother! Thank you sa pag-alaga sa amin. I love you. Long life pa. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday celebration. Party night, could feel the vibration.
Happy birthday, Mama! Many more birthdays to celebrate. We love you.
Lights are bright, we're feeling alright. We're dancing till the morning light.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Say happy birthday, Lola!
Happy birthday, Wawa.
Happy birthday celebration. Everybody get the temptation. Once again, this is your night.
Happy birthday, Mama. Thank you po sa pag-aalaga sa akin, sa pagluto ng adobo ko, at saka sa pagpapaligo sa akin po. Sama mo na rin po ang paghihinguto sa akin. Love you po, Mama.
And everyone feels right. Happy birthday